Now this install is pretty easy for the most part. There's only gonna be a couple things that kind of hang you up if you've never done this before. Your driver's side on this vehicle is wide open. We can get to this headlight assembly with ease. The other side though, we have to deal with the air box, which is extremely easy to get around. Just adds an extra step to get that bulb out. Then you're gonna crawl on your back, get down to these fog lights, and I'll show you how that part of the process goes as well. But right now, let's go ahead and dive into the driver's side. We'll knock the easy one out first and get that one out of the way. Bolts right here, as well as those 2 10s on the bottom there. Now I can actually see the bulb. I can reach back in here, twist that out, and just like that, I've got the bulb in my hand. I just got to disconnect the harness, and there's a little fog light bulb right there. So there's a few more bolts to take out with this method, but you can actually see physically what you're doing. So this one here I mentioned is not the LSplus model, so this one has the internal driver instead of being the external driver, but this essentially is a 50-watt bulb. It's equivalent to 5,000 lumens per bulb. So we'll go ahead and get this in there, get it clocked as well. We want to make sure the LEDs are at the 3 and 9 position, and then this one will be done, and we can move to the other side. So that one's in there. We just got to connect our harness. Okay, so now that I've got the LED bulb and the fog light housing down here,